Hey everybody, how are you? And I am going to put together a very quick summer wreath. Yes, I know everybody's doing fall. I'm not ready quite yet. I'm getting there, but I have a few summer things that I want to finish, because a lot of times I will start my fall like mid-September, and that's probably what I will do. Probably the second week of September I will start with my fall videos, but for now I'm going to continue my lemon and bee theme. That is what I'm doing. So this is the same wreath that I've used in a couple of my other DIYs for different holidays, and like I told you, I don't glue really anything on. I just kind of put them into the grapevine so I can take them out easily for exactly this reason. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lemon pick from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to put the other one probably right around here. Then I'm going to start putting these daisies into the wreath. And I bought these specifically for this wreath, so I don't mind cutting them individually. Okay. Because these still can be put into my mantle next year if I want to do something different next year with these. Don't know, never know until the time comes. It's just whatever kind of suits my fancy at the time. You know what I mean? Just like everybody else. Okay, like I said, it's no great shake here. It's just a matter of putting some flowers and lemons into a grapevine wreath is what it really amounts to. But I do want to keep the greenery on here. And if I glued anything, it would be a couple of lemons, but I would glue it on to probably a piece of this so I could just pull it off. You know what I mean? Because right now my decor, and you haven't seen it yet, but you will be seeing my house, what I decorated for summer, which is lemons, daisies, bees, bee theme. And I don't want to take that down yet. I'm just not ready. It's too doggone hot, especially in California. We're having a heat wave. Ugh. And it's so humid. It's awful. Anyone that knows me knows I love the cold weather. I do not like the heat. Do not like it. And if I have any of these left, I may just put the rest into my mantle, since my mantle has some of these too. Still have 3. May use, don't know yet where, I don't know if I want it that way. I want it that way. Now, I think what I'll do is what I said I might do, and that is glue a couple of the small lemons onto a piece of the greenery. Okay, one more flower. See how fast this came together? I'm literally just sticking these flowers in and calling it a day. I'm going to put a couple of these in my jar in my fireplace is what I'm going to do. Okay. Okay, we'll throw that away. Okay, so what I did is I went to get my glue gun, and that's heating up. And I just took some ribbon that I had from Hobby Lobby that's a Mackenzie Child inspired ribbon. And I just made a little ribbon. I'm putting it to the side like you can see. I don't want it at the bottom. Okay. And I'm going to, I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, and then these are like that. I'm just going to put a couple of lemons. And I think I'm going to put this little sign that I got from Walmart last year. Remember I added the little flower because I wanted to add a little bit to it. But I don't want to glue much. That's the problem. Because I don't want this to be permanent. Okay, so I'm going to just hang on to it for a minute until it adheres, and it'll be easy to just cut that right off. Guys, I'm going to call it done. I went ahead and glued the sign onto some greenery and then just glued a little bit of the little lemons onto leaves so I can pull it off easy enough. So then I will show you where this is going to be. It's going to be over my mantle. So there it is. What do you think? Just a little bit of gluing, nothing where it's permanent. I can take it off when need be. Hey everybody, there was one thing missing, and because my summer theme are bees and lemons with daisies, I needed to put bees on this. So this is a bee that Missy, one of my subscribers, a little woman that is in a little convalescent hospital, I believe, makes these. She felts them. You guys, look at these. They are gorgeous. Beautiful. Let me stand. Can you see that okay? Anyway, I'm putting one in the daisy and one on the sign, and I'm just going to very lightly glue it. I mean, just the very tip of the feeler. When I'm done, I'll show you. Okay, so here's the one. And then here is the other one. And like I said, you're going to see this because I'm going to do a just a small saying goodbye to summer home tour. And not a lot in my house is done this year, but enough to where I want to show you. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. And I will be back with another DIY. Guys, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.